recording. What's up, everybody? We're back here at the Page Ball Field with another flight with the Quinout F4 X1 FPV Racing Quad. Just trying to practice up with the FPV goggles a little bit and get used to the controllers and make sure all my switches are up and everything. Get ready for this flight. So we're going to power up and take off. Alright, make sure antennas and everything's out of the way of the propellers. And get ready to lift off. Need that stick down there. The controller's on. Alright. So, let me see if I got FPV signal. Okay, I have a picture. Really can't wait to get some better goggles, but these will work for now. Well, oh boy, I have a bent propeller. How did I do that? I don't think I did that in crash just now, but oh boy. Straighten it back out, and I didn't bring any extra propellers. Definitely will have to change that one again. Might have did that carrying it in my bag. Alright. What's going on? Not a problem. Not good. Alright, so. Oh, shit. Alright, shit. Still looks pretty good. Alright, so I got a little too close to that tree. Like my signal started getting a little fuzzy and I tried to turn around. I didn't see how close I was. So I'll try this again. Something working right here. What do we got going on?
out my first tube this morning, sir.
Alright, so I just found acro mode. Damn it. Found it kind of hard. Camera's a little dirty. So if I could do a flip and then switch back into angle mode. Got some dirt. Let's clean this thing off. Oh, there's a bunny rabbit on the map. Alright, so let's go play around with this battery on some line of sight so I get used to acro. Get used to these other modes. Okay. That was a horrendous crash. Everything still looks good. Good thing this quad's got the beeping on it, we can find something. I've been looking for that one for a minute. Well, let's test it out, see if it's going to fly. This thing nightmare video. I gotta cut some grass. This thing cuts grass pretty good. Not good for those propellers. The three of them still look good. That one's just a little bit bent, but I'll switch it out when I get home. I might have to order some new propellers and get a better set of goggles because I can't see shit out of these things. I can't see out of them good. It's like it's all fucking staticky and shit. Everybody's like, use analog. Analog's like watching the 70s show with the old TV and the rabbit ears. Got all that static. Alright, one more time. this battery. I'm gonna let the camera lens off. I got some grass on it. Definitely have to clean this thing off when I get home. This time I remember to unplug the battery before I turn off the controller. Disconnect the goggles. Alright. Well, not the greatest flight this time. Had a few more crashes, but that's how you learn to fly Acro mode. You gotta flip it into Acro mode because it's not the same as flying angle mode. Controls are different. You gotta get used to them. And the only way to do that is practice. Which probably means you're going to tear up a quad. Or 2, or 3, or 4, and probably a lot of propellers. But that's what it's all about, learning. Alright, folks, we're out. Bye.